Want to create stunning historical YouTube shorts without showing your face or spending hours editing? Stick with me, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Step 1. Generate 40 viral-ready ideas in seconds. Finding the right idea is tough, but not when you have AI on your side. Instead of wasting time brainstorming, we'll use TubeMagic AI to generate 40 viral shorts ideas instantly. Click the link in the description, sign up, and go to the video script tool. Now just enter this simple prompt: generate 40 viral historical YouTube shorts ideas featuring epic battles, lost civilizations, and surprising historical facts. And just like that, TubeMagic gives us a list of proven viral ideas ready to turn into content. Step 2, transform ideas into AI-generated shorts. Now, let's bring one of these ideas to life without any editing skills using Vid.ai. Click the Try Now link in the description, sign up, and once inside, click Create a New Project. Choose Faceless Shorts and enter one of our viral ideas. Let's go with the untold secrets of the Egyptian pyramids. Next, pick a voiceover.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Our distrust is very expensive.
For real? I got partner.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
After testing them all, I'm going with Adam Stone for this topic. Now, select the cinematic generation model and hit Generate. Vid.ai will now create a fully automated video with AI-generated visuals and narration in minutes. Step 3. Review, edit, and download your video. Once your video is generated, you'll land in the editing menu. Here, you can tweak visuals or text if needed, but honestly, it's already looking great.
Did you know the Egyptian pyramids hold secrets that baffle historians? These monumental structures were built with incredible precision. But how did the ancient Egyptians achieve this? Some believe they used...
If everything checks out, hit Next, Download. And boom, your AI-generated YouTube Shorts video is ready to upload.
Did you know the Egyptian pyramids hold secrets that baffle historians? These monumental structures were built with incredible precision. But how did the ancient Egyptians achieve this? Some believe they used advanced technology lost to time. Others suggest they had divine assistance. The alignment with celestial bodies is astonishing. Each pyramid was a tomb for powerful pharaohs. Their construction involved thousands of laborers. Yet many questions remain unanswered. What lies beneath these ancient stones? Could there be hidden chambers yet to be found? The pyramids continue to captivate our imagination.
And just like that, we've built a fully automated YouTube Shorts channel without showing our faces. Vid.ai's free access is exclusive for my viewers. Click the link in the description and start now. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered content. See you in the next one.